Hello everyone. Welcome to Windroid, the channel where we talk about the latest and greatest Android smartphones. Today we have some exciting news for you. Redmi, the sub-brand of Xiaomi, has just launched a new budget-friendly device. It's called the Redmi 12, and it comes with some impressive features for its price. Let's take a look at what this phone has to offer. The Redmi 12 has a 6.79-inch LCD display with a center-aligned punch-hole cutout. It offers a full HD plus resolution, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and 550 nits peak brightness. That means you can enjoy smooth and vivid visuals on this large screen. The device also features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner embedded in the power button, which is convenient and secure. On the back of the phone, you'll find a triple camera setup that consists of a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. These cameras can capture stunning photos and videos in various scenarios. On the front, there is an 8-megapixel selfie snapper that can take decent selfies and support face unlock. Under the hood, the Redmi 12 is powered by a MediaTek Helio G88 processor, which is a mid-range chipset that can handle most tasks and games with ease. It also packs up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for most users. The phone runs on MIUI 14 based on Android 13 OS, which is the latest version of Xiaomi's custom skin and operating system. One of the best features of the Redmi 12 is its battery life. The phone has a massive 5,000 mAh battery that can last for a whole day or more on a single charge. It also supports 18-watt fast charging, which can top up the battery quickly when you need it. The Redmi 12 also has some other features that make it a great value for money device. It has 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, a USB-C port, and a 3.5mm jack for connectivity options. It also comes in 3 color options: midnight black, sky blue, and polar silver. The Redmi 12 is priced at around $150 for the 8 GB of RAM, plus 128 GB of internal storage variant. The prices of the other variants are not revealed yet. So, what do you think of the Redmi 12? Do you think it's worth buying? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more smartphone reviews and news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.